Welcome to 4th grade Parts of a Plant Review. This is a physically active lesson, so get ready to move. In this lesson, you will attempt to select the described part of a plant or activity of a plant by exercising the answer. Here are the words we will be using: stamen, roots, ovary, stem, fertilization, leaves, sepal, pistil, and pollination. Number 1. This part of a plant provides support for the plant and allows water and nutrients to move through it. If you think it is stem, do 10 crab kicks. If you think it's leaves, do 10 windmills. If you think it's sepal, do a 10-second plank hold. Pause the video to do your exercise and then hit play to see if your answer is correct. The answer was stem, and you should have done 10 crab kicks. Number 2. This part of the flower forms the housing of the developing flower. It often surrounds the bud of a flower. If you think it's the stamen, do 10 pretend jump ropes. If you think it's root, 10 scissor kicks. If you think it's sepal, do 10 cross-cross. Hit pause to exercise and hit play to see if you are correct. The answer is sepal. You should have done 10 cross-cross. Number 3. This part of the plant produces the food or glucose for the plant to use as energy. Is this part the pistil? If you think so, do 10 squats. Is it leaves? If so, do 10 jumping jacks. Roots? Do 10 seconds of jogging in place. Pause, do your exercise, and hit play to continue. Leaves are the part of the plant that produces the glucose. Let's move on. Question number 4. This is the part of the flower that is the male reproductive part of the plant. Is that leaves? If so, do 10 arm circles. Is that the stamen? If so, do 10-second plank hold. Is it the ovary? If so, do 10 windmills. Pause the video and hit play when you're done exercising. You should have done a 10-second plank hold. The stamen is the male reproductive part of a plant. Number 5. This is a part of the reproductive process of flowering plants where pollen is transferred from the stamen to the stigma. Is that called pollination? If so, do 10 jumping jacks. Is that called fertilization? If so, do 10 seconds of jogging in place. Is that called planting? If so, do 10 scissor kicks. Pause the video for exercise and hit play to move on. The answer is pollination. You should have done 10 jumping jacks. Number 6. This part of the flower is the female reproductive part of a plant. Stamen, 10 arm circles. Stem, 10 crab kicks. Pistil, 10 pretend jump ropes. Whichever you think is the correct answer, do that exercise. Pause the video so that you have time and then hit play to continue. The answer is pistil. You should have done 10 pretend jump ropes. Number 7. This part of the plant anchors it into the ground and absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. If you think this is leaves, do 10 squats. If you think this is roots, do 10 scissor kicks. If you think this is stem, do 10 jumps. Pause the video for exercise. Hit play when you're ready. The answer is root. You should have done 10 scissor kicks. Number 8. This follows pollination and is the joining of the stamen and the stigma into one cell. If you think that's called fertilization, do 10 arm circles. Planting, 10 crab kicks. Photosynthesis, 10-second plank hold. Pause the video for exercise and then hit play when you're ready. The answer is fertilization. You should have done 10 arm circles. This is our last one, number 9. This part of the flower has seeds inside which turn into a fruit. If you think that's the sepal, do 10 pretend jump ropes. If you think it's roots, do 10 jumping jacks. If you think it's the ovaries, do 10 heel raises. Pause the video for exercise and hit play when you're ready. The ovary has the seeds which turn into a fruit. You should have done 10 heel raises. Great, you're all done. Thank you for participating in this physically active lesson. If you made some mistakes, play this video again. A little extra exercise and practice on your plant parts won't hurt. Have a great day.